Back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to talk about how to use VLOOKUPs. For instance, you have names, ages, and sales. Now you have this small table and you want to find ages or age of any person in this column. So to find ages, you can just use VLOOKUPs, and this is how VLOOKUPs works. You can just type in equal VLOOKUP, lookup value, which is A9, comma, select the array, comma, you're looking for row number 2, comma, exact match, and enter. It says NA, but you can just type in any name. Let's type in James. It says James is 21, and let's type in Kgodiso. It says Kgodiso is 19. Let's type in Matsepe. It says Matsepe is 20, and let's type in the last one, excuse me, Bafana, enter. So that's how VLOOKUPs works, guys, and that's what I had for you in this video. Please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.